welcome back to my channel once again. This is Plant Lifestyles. Today is a new preparation that we are going to do. It's a kind of spiritual soap to attract favor, attract love, peace, open ways, and then give ways in your life, and also fight some demons out of your life and fight negative energy out of your life. Yes, so I'm going to walk you through the preparation of the soap, and then you are going to be fine. Just subscribe to the channel and then watch to the end of the video, and then you are going to be fine. Good, you are going to be fine. So we are starting. You get your mortar and pestle. This is what I'm going to use to make the mixture. So when you get, I have my midnight, that is midnight talcum, no, midnight collagen here. This one is not the talcum powder. We have the midnight talcum powder there, and then we have the money drawer here. This is money drawer spray. So, and I have African herbal oil. African herbal oil. It is very powerful oil here. And I have my 6 flowers oil that I'm going to use for this work. And then I have my black soap that I'm going to use for the soup. Yes, my black soaps here. And then I have my leaf of life and then castor leaves. This is the fresh one at the tip of the castor plant. So I have my castor leaves here and then the leaf of life. So all these ingredients are going to be used in this preparation. So the soap is very powerful too. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. Once I see that what I'm doing, people like it, by click on the like button, I get to know that this topic is more interesting, and then people are liking it enough. So why don't I give another video concerning that? So I'll do another video in that dimension to satisfy you and for you to understand very well. So let's get our soap. So you see my soap, then you put it in. So let me first, yeah, you take your black soap. See, after we are done, you see that the soap is very small. This I'm even adding 4, but the time you are done, you see it will be very small. So 4. So this is how it is. But before that, we are going to pound the leaves first. So the leaf of life, I have 4. So I have 4 leaves of life, and then 2 to each castor leaf. The castor leaves is also powerful to do away with evil spirit, evil plan, evil thought against you. This one is also powerful to suck any negative energy in your body, make you, as leaves of life, you know, in our language it's called tamiewu. Some people hate you for your reputation. They hate you for nothing, and they want to do something negative thing to you. You know what this leaf can do. So I'll just put it in, and then I'll just make sure I pound it. So I pound this leaf. Let's be conscious of our spiritual life too. I know, as I told you, Jesus Christ could have told the spirit in the blind Bartimaeus to vanish, and it could have vanished, but he used saliva and what? Sand. If it is today, some people will say the pastor is fake. The same way Elijah could have commanded the water or the river to be safe for the people to start drinking. But Elijah never did that. He called for salt and earthenware bowl and performed some rituals and then prayed, and the water was saved. So don't sit there and tell me these things are not good to do. They are not real. It works. So as I told you, this soap, I've done a preparation before on the same channel. So a customer requested for this. So I'm just preparing this for a customer. Yes. The customer gave me a lot of instruction. That's why I'm adding a lot of ingredients. So I'm just going to add this thing. Gave me a specification, what he's going through and what he needs in life. So I used that specification to prepare the soap. If you want same, I can also prepare some for you. Yes, just contact me through the comments. Yes, so this is the soap making processing. I'm just making it. So the leaf of life and the castor leaf are mixed with it. So my next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add the African herbal oil. In fact, this oil is very powerful. It's very powerful. Yes, you don't know. It was mixed from herb. It's a herbal oil that was made from castor seed. And then blend with some leaves. So it is already powerful. Then added to the soap. Good. So I'm just mixing it out. If you are interested in the soap, you can just let me know, contact me for us to make an order. To make an order for you. Yes. Good. So let's add the other ingredients. We're going to add the 6-flash oil. I'm going to add the 6-flash oil. I'm going to pour all, leaving nothing in it. Yes, so this soap, if there is any spirit threatening your life, and then you won't use natural things too. I know you've prayed, you fasted, you've done a lot of things, but some things, even when the apostles were praying, Jesus made us know that some spirits need some things. So he told them, this kind of spirit will never go with just prayers, but add fasting. In the same way, when he saw blind Bartimaeus, he saw that the spirits won't go by commanding unless I use saliva and then sand. So let me move to the next addictive. That is the money oil. That is spray. So I'm spraying. Good. Good. You see the process? So if you use this soap and you have a testimony, you just give it in the comment. I told you the soap will become small after we are done. Yes. Good. 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 And then the boss. Good. So I'm going to add the boss. See. Add the boss. Good. Hope you're enjoying the video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll teach you a lot on this channel. You see, our health, and then our spiritual life and physical health, good, are more important. Yes. Okay, so I'm done. So I'm going to get a pill and then put it in. Good. So this is my pill. This is my pill. I'm going to put it in and I'll be using it to bath. But this one doesn't belong to me. Mine is there. As I told you, this one is for the customer. The customer have seen clearly what I've used and the ingredient I've used in this soup. So once you finish bath, I told you that I took plenty, that is 4 pieces. By the time I finish, it will become small. So as you see, so this is the soap. Protect yourself from the evil eyes. Yes. Protect yourself from the evil eyes because they are not good. So the soap is ready for delivery. It will be delivered and then to be delivered to the person. I'm going to use it. I'm not using it on my body, but I'm going to give it to the that is the VIP bus conductor to send it to where the person requested it from. The person is in Ghana here and they requested it to be prepared for him or her. I just don't want to say him or her, but I've said it, him or her. I don't want you to see whether she is her or he is him. Yes. So that is basically how to prepare soaps. Most of the pastors do it and sell it there. Well, okay. So let me fetch water and show you how when you add water to it, it will behave. Yes, I'm adding water for you to see how it will behave when I add water. So you see, soap. Yes, nice scent. It has a nice scent. The scent alone can awake your spirit. It can wake your spirit. You see that we have, you know that scent can be used to awaken people's spirits, or you don't know? It is being used. There are some kind of scents that are used to drive away evil spirits and then what? Awaken people's spirit. Why won't you subscribe to Pan's Lifestyle and see a lot of things? Subscribe. Just subscribe. Once I update a video or upload a video, you'll be notified. Nice one. Nice one. Thank you for watching. Is it not nice? Just subscribe and you'll be okay. Any of the ingredients I use, if you want to buy, you can just order from me and then it will be delivered to you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. See you in the next video.